Welcome back to the last and final project pan update for 2020. We're going to start a new project pan in 2021, so stay tuned for that. We're just going to jump right into the things. Most everything is done now. So I have finished the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. That was our last mark and it's done now. So happy about that. The Believe Beauty Mascara, the High Drama Mascara, it is done. It's so dry. It's pretty much unusable now. And this is the one and final last thing that I used up in its entirety. Previous times, that was our last marking, and yeah, it's gone now. I love this. It's LaColors Pressed Powder in Tan. Awesome. I've already repeat purchased this as well. Moving on, these two items aren't completely done yet, but I'm going to continue on with them. I think that I've done pretty well this year in Project Pan, so I can't wait to start in 2021. I have a ton of other products to add, and I'm going to keep this one in here. This is the Photo Focus Concealer Corrector in Fair Beige. I really like this concealer. It works well for me. So I'm going to continue to work on using that up. I can tell it's almost done. And the last and final product I have here is the Maybelline 920 Nude Lust. My favorite lipstick ever from Maybelline. Here's what she looks like now. She is close to being done. She has seen better days. I once again have already repurchased her as well. So I'm going to continue on with these two products in 2021, and stay tuned for an updated Project Pan, new start of a new year, new series in 2021. So how well did I do? Also, how well did you do during your Project Pan as well, if you're working through some stuff as well? Thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Always check the description box for additional links, as well as the cards, and thank you so much for watching.